Let's solve this 3-mark file handling question from last year's CBSE question paper. We'll understand the question first and then write the program step by step. Let's get started.
Okay, read the question carefully. Write a Python function that counts and returns the number of digits appearing in the text file space.txt. Also, you can see the example, and the output should be 11. Also, they have given the output. Okay, fine. So, from this question, what do we need? A function that opens the file space.txt. It should read the contents, check each character, count the digits, and return the count. So, once we identify these 6 points, the program becomes very easy.
Okay, now let's write the code. So the first step is to write a function. Let's write def function name. Function name, let it be count underscore digits. Okay, so here def defines a function, count digits is function name, and no parameters are passed. Okay, fine. Now we have to open the file. So for that, what I'm going to use is with open. With open and file name. File name is space dot text, and let me explain this after writing this line as f. Okay, so here with open is nothing but it is used for safe file handling, and open means it opens the file. Then space.txt is the file name. Then R is the read mode, and as f is nothing but the file, the open file is stored in the variable f. Okay, so colon is nothing but starts the block of statements that will work with the file. So Python opens the file and stores it in f, and after this block is finished the file will be closed automatically. That is why with open is recommended in Python. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, that is reading the file. Now I want to bring all the contents into a variable. Okay, so for that let's write data, let it be a variable. Okay, so data is equal to f dot read. So what is this line of code? F dot read reads the entire file. The text is stored in the variable data. Okay, the text is stored here. Fine. So let's move on to the next step. We have to create a counter. To count digits, we need a counting variable. So for that, let's write count is equal to 0. Okay, initially the count is 0 because we didn't count anything now. Fine. Now the next step is to traverse the text. Now we check the file character by character. So for that we need for ch in data. Okay, so what is this? For is loop, we all know. Ch, each character is ch. Then data, the text read from the file we stored here, right? Okay. Then next step, check whether it is a digit. We are going to count digits, right? Fine. So for that we need if ch dot is digit. Yeah. Okay, so what is this line of code? Is digit returns true for 0 to 9, that is numbers, and returns false for letters, spaces, and commas, etc. Okay, fine. Now the next step is to increase the count. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Writing the same variable name count. Okay, so count plus equal to 1, which means count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, whenever a digit is found, increase the count by 1. Got it? Okay. Now, the next line of the code is to return the answer. So, return count. Now, let's write it. Return. Okay. So, this sends the final count back from the function.